Annually, the value of corporate merger and acquisition deals is in the trillions of dollars. However, in academic literature on mergers and acquisitions, researchers have failed to come to a consensus on whether a firm that has previously had success in acquiring another company will have success down the road in subsequent acquisitions. Fortunately, by studying the merger and acquisitions literature, researchers found that past acquirer experience does actually lead to greater performance in later acquisition deals, and that success grows as acquisition and merger deals get more complex. Researchers took 89 studies on M&A and analyzed them in dozens of different ways. By doing this, they found that many of the studies drawing negative correlations between past successful acquisitions and future acquisition success were weaker studies that did not take into effect key factors and other combinations of information. And as researchers performed a thorough meta-analysis on the studies, parsing out things like publication and variable bias, the positive correlations between companies' past and future acquisitions became more apparent. Additionally, they found that as deals between companies got more complex, past experience in acquisitions was key. The literature showed that companies that had navigated cross-industry acquisitions or had dealt with complex mergers were better positioned to deal with them going forward. Wonder whether a firm's past successful acquisitions lead to future M&A success? If so, you may want to read this paper.